In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know to hold a demonstration using the HFSC VR Fire and Sprinkler Demo Kit. The demo kit is completely contained within a special protective case, which includes wheels and a retractable pull handle for easier transportation. To open the kit, release the latches on both the front and sides of the case. Inside, you'll find 15 VR headsets with USB charging cables, a laptop with power charging cable, a built-in wireless router, and an IEC cable for the case itself. Note that some of these items may be stored in compartments underneath the VR headsets. We recommend using the day before your demonstration to familiarize yourself with the demo kit and ensure the laptop and headsets are fully charged. The case must be connected to power and turned on to both charge the headsets and conduct the demonstration itself, so make sure you have access to power outlets wherever you plan to use the kit. Begin by connecting the IEC cable to the case's power inlet, located on the side of the case. Once plugged into a power outlet, flip the switch. The switch will turn red, and you'll hear the whir of the case's internal air vents. The headset's charged by connecting directly to the case using the provided USB charging cables. The headsets will display a red or yellow light when charging and a green light when fully charged. To turn on the headset, remove the USB cable, then press and hold the power button, located on its underside, for 2 to 3 seconds. You'll know the headset is on when the light turns blue. Once powered on, you can place the headset over your head to view the main menu. From here, you can access the River app, as well as confirm the battery percentage on the headset. Remember to always be seated before wearing the headset, as standing while in VR can be disorienting and dangerous. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the other buttons on the body of the headset, most notably the select button and the recenter and back button. You'll notice that moving your head creates a blue circle that acts as a cursor. To select any menu item, simply position the blue cursor over it and click the pill-shaped select button on the right side of your headset. When finished, make sure to power down and charge any headsets you test. It's fine to leave the case powered on overnight to ensure all headsets are fully charged in advance of your demonstration. When preparing a site for your demonstration, ensure you have easy access to power outlets and have provided enough chairs for anyone who will be attending the demonstration. Start by opening and plugging in the case, then flip the power switch. Lift the router antennas located on the front of the case so that each is pointed up. Next, open and turn on the laptop, then double-click the River icon in the desktop. The case's built-in router emits a Wi-Fi signal that connects the headsets to the laptop. Once a headset is turned on, it should automatically connect to the case's Wi-Fi, but it's best to confirm the connection is working properly before beginning your demonstration. To confirm a headset is connected to the Wi-Fi, power on the headset, then place it over your head. When presented with the main menu, move your head downward until the blue circle appears and position it over App. Then confirm your selection by pressing the pill-shaped select button on the side of your headset. In the App menu, position the blue circle over the River app. Then once again, click the pill-shaped button to confirm. You'll find yourself in a virtual classroom, which includes a Wi-Fi indicator icon. If it's green, you're connected. If it's red, try closing and reopening the RiverLink app on the laptop. After a few seconds, check the headset to see if the Wi-Fi icon has turned green. You may need to repeat this process several times to get a connection, so don't panic if the headset doesn't connect right away. Once you've confirmed your headset is connected, you can begin your demonstration. After all attendees are seated, pass out the headsets and provide a quick overview of how they work. Emphasize the importance of staying seated during the demonstration and explain that if at any point they experience dizziness, they can alleviate it by placing their hand on the base of their chair or on a nearby table. Instruct them to power on their headsets and place them over their heads. Some attendees may need to recenter their view. Inform them they can do so by selecting the small circle button on the side of the headset. Let them take a moment to look around before instructing them to select Apps, then River. The laptop will indicate which headsets have entered the virtual classroom. If someone is having trouble, assist them individually. Once everyone is in the virtual classroom, press play on the laptop to start the video. Encourage them to look in all directions, including behind them. When the video concludes, collect the headsets, making sure to clean them before returning them to the case. The body of the headsets can be cleaned with normal disinfectant wipes, but the lenses can only be cleaned with a soft eyeglass cloth. Cleaning the lenses with anything else may damage them. Unplug and power down the case, and make sure to power down the laptop before returning it to the case, along with the headsets and any other equipment you used. Lay the router's antennas down, then close the lid and secure all latches.